Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hopefully you are well and safe. Welcome to Higher Mathematics Practical class. This is MD Imam Hasan, Senior Teacher, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Today we discuss two experiments from your practical part. For writing experiment in your practical copy, you have to maintain some steps, such as name of the experiment, theory, necessary equipment, procedure, result, comment, etc. Hopefully this class will be very helpful for your practical exam. So let's start our class. My dear students, today we discuss two experiments from your practical part. At first our experiment number 1, here name of the experiment, area of triangle within 3 vertices. So we have to find the area of a triangle whose 3 vertices are given. Here the question is to find the area of triangle whose 3 vertices are A, B and C. Now our next step, theory. At this step you have to write all the required formula or theory to solve the experiment. Here the theory, if 3 vertices of a triangle are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, then the area of the triangle, here we all know the formula of the area of the triangle is equal to half into determinant of, here the coordinates of the vertices are x1, y1, so x1, y1, then x2, y2, then x3, y3. Now we all know that determinants are always a square in its shape. So to form a square format, we have to write 1, 1, 1, since 1 is the identity of multiplication. So the area of the triangle is half into determinant of this square unit. By using this formula, we have to find the area of the given triangle. Our next step, necessary equipment. In this step, we write all the name of the required equipments. Here the necessary equipment: pencil, scale, graph paper, eraser, sharpener, pencil compass, scientific calculator and necessary questions. So those are the required equipment to solve the experiment. My dear students, now our most important step, procedure. Here procedure, represent x-axis by xo x prime and y-axis by yo y prime. In this graph paper, we represent x-axis by xo x prime and y-axis by yo y prime. Here O is the origin whose coordinates are 0, 0. Now let length of is one small square equal to 1 unit, along with both axes be a scale. 3 points A, point B and point C are plotted on the graph. Now we plot the point A, B and C on the graph paper with a scale 1 small square equal to 1 unit. So our first point, point A, whose coordinates are 5, 5. So the point will be here 5 and 5. So this is the point A, whose coordinates are 5, 5. Now point B, whose coordinates are -8, 8. So here -8 and +8, that is our point B, whose coordinates are -8, 8. Now point C, the coordinates of point C are -1, -4. So the point C will be here -1, then -4. That is our point C, whose coordinates are -1, -4. Now draw triangle ABC by adding AB, BC and CA. So now we draw the triangle ABC by adding point A and B, point B and C and point C and A. Now adding those 3 points, finally we get the triangle ABC. After drawing triangle ABC, AD is drawn perpendicular on BC from A. From point A, we draw AD perpendicular on BC. Here AD is perpendicular on BC. Form graph with help of pencil compass. Find the length of height AD and base BC. So by using pencil compass, we find the length of AD and the base BC of the triangle ABC. Now find the area of triangle by the rule and with the help of the graph. So now we find the area of the triangle ABC according to the theory and the graph paper. Our next step, calculation. From the graph paper, we get height AD equal to 9.75 small squares. Here we take a scale, 1 small square equal to 1 unit. So 9.75 small squares equal to 9.75 units. Again, here from the graph paper we get BC equal to 13.9 small squares, so 13.9 units. So here the height AD equal to 9.75 units and base BC equal to 13.9 units. Now result combination. In this step we find the area of triangle ABC. Here the area of triangle ABC, from the graph paper we find the area of the triangle ABC. We know the formula half into base into height. So we can write half into base. From the graph paper we get the base is BC. So BC into height. Height is AD. So AD equal to half into BC. The value of BC is 13.9 unit and the value of AD is 9.75 unit. So a square unit. Then by simple calculation we will get 67.76 square unit. So this is the area of triangle ABC by using the graph. Now we find the area of triangle ABC mathematically. So area of triangle ABC, we know the formula from the theory step, half determinant of, here the coordinates of point A is 5,5, so 5, 5. Then point B is -8, 8. Then point C is -1, -4. Then 1, 1, 1. By using the formula from the theory step, we find the area of triangle equal to half into determinant of this. Then by calculation we can write half. Here at first 5. Taking 5 we get 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4. Then -5. Then by calculation -8 plus 1. And finally plus 1 into plus 32 plus 8. So 32 plus 8. Then by simple calculation we get here half. 5 into 12, that is 60, minus 5 into -7, that is plus 35, then 1 into 40, so plus 40. Then by calculation half into here 60 plus 35 plus 40 equal to 135. Then by calculation 67.5. So the area of triangle ABC is 65.5 square unit. So the area of triangle ABC is 67.76 square unit by using the graph, and 67.5 by using the theory. Our next step, result. Here our result, area of triangle ABC equal to 67.76 square units. Now comments. Value found from graph. Here we get the value of the area of triangle ABC from the graph is 67.76 square units, and in mathematical way it was 67.5 square unit, which are approximately equal. Hence, the result is verified as correct. So this is our first experiment. My dear students, now we discuss our second experiment. Here the experiment number 2, name of the experiment: to draw the equation of a straight line x plus y equal to 10. So we have to draw the equation of a straight line x plus y equal to 10. Now theory: equation in form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called a straight line, and our given equation is in this format. So this is the equation of a straight line. Now necessary equipment: in this step you have to write all the necessary equipment to solve the experiment. Here the necessary equipments are pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener, pencil compass, scientific calculator, and necessary question papers. So those are the necessary equipment to solve the experiment. My dear students, now our next step, procedure. Here procedure represents x-axis by xo x prime and y-axis by yo y prime. In this graph paper we represent x-axis by xo x prime and y-axis by yo y prime. Here O is the origin whose coordinates are 0, 0. Now in the equation x plus y equal to 10, or we can write this as y equal to 10 minus x. Find the corresponding value of y for different value of x. Now we put some values of x randomly, such as -2, 0, 2, 4, 6. Now for the value of x -2 we get y equal to 10 minus -2, that is 10 plus 2, so 12. Then for 0 we get 10 minus 0 equal to 10. Then for 2 we get 8. Then for 4 we get 6, and then for 6 we get 4. Here we get some points on our graph. Now on a graph paper a scale is chosen such that length of one small square equal to 1 unit along with the both axes, and then plotting all xy points, that is all those points. Now we plot all those points. Here our first point -2, 12. So this is our origin, so -2 then 12. So this is the point -2, 12. Now our next point 0, 10. So 0, 10. So this is the point 0, 10. Now our next point 2, 8. So for 2 this one, and then 8, so this is our 2, 8. Then our next point 4, 6. So 4, 6. This is the point 4, 6. Now 6, 4. So this point is 6, then 4. So 6, 4. Now draw the graph, join all the points with the help of scale. Now by using a scale we join all those points. After joining all those points we get a straight line, and this is our required straight line. We denoted this equation as AG. So AG is the required straight line. Now our final step, result. In this experiment we have to draw the equation of a straight line. So the result, graph of required equation x plus y equal to 10 is AG. From the graph paper the required straight line is AG. So this is our experiment 2. My dear students, hopefully you all understand today's class. If any problem, take help from your subject teacher. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.